Hello guys, welcome to our channel and welcome to the game development series using Python Pygame. In this tutorial we are going to download necessary stuff from the internet for our game. For that we are going to open Chrome. We are going to need background images for our game, so for that we are going to use Pygame. It is one of the popular site for background images. We are going to search background over here, and as you can see there are so many options. It is totally depend on you which one you choose. I mostly prefer plain looking background for our game. Uh, for example, you are going to choose this one. So there is also different available in different sizes. I mostly prefer 1280. It is doesn't going to matter much because we are also going to scale this image into our coding, but I mostly prefer 1280. And we are also going to need some icons, and for icons we are going to use Flippicon. Is also really popular site for the icons. As you can see, it is also search spaceship. We are going to need a spaceship for our game. There are so many options available over here. You can choose from it. It is also available in so many sizes. When you are going to select it, you can see there are so many options. I mostly prefer 64 pixels. So now we can download icons from Flippicon and backgrounds from Pygame. Okay. Um, Now we are going to make new folder and call it a new project. I have already made it, and in this folder we are going to make another folder called img, and we are going to put all our images in here. As you can see, I have already put my images in here, and in this folder, our new project folder, we are going to open PowerShell window. To open PowerShell window, we have to press shift and right click and open PowerShell window. Now it is open in this folder. As you can see, the path is desktop new project, and in this tutorial we are going to use Microsoft Visual Studio Code as our IED. To open Microsoft Visual Studio Code in this folder, we have to type code space. So, so it is open now, and it is also open in this folder. You can use this terminal also, and you can see the path. It is a new project, so we are in our folder. First of all, we need a Python to install in our PC. So to install Python, you have to download it from the internet. You can search it in Google. You're going to find this official website of Python, and you can download the latest version of Python from here. Okay, it is already installed in my PC, so I'm not going to download it again. We are also going to need Pygame, so we are going to install it with the help of pip install. We are going to use this terminal for now. Pygame, right? This saying already satisfied requirements, so it is already been installed in my PC, so it is obviously going to say that. So now we are ready to build our app. In this folder we are going to make py file, and going to name it shooting game.py. And in here, first of all, we are going to import Pygame. Import Pygame. We didn't get any errors. That means we have successfully installed Pygame. There is another way to see it if we have successfully installed Pygame or not. So for that we are going to use a variable. Let's just call it x, and we're going to type pygame.init. If you are going to print this variable and run the program, see, as you can see over here, let me show you, it is a 7 or 0. That means we have successfully installed the modules which come with Python, Pygame. So it is also another way to see our Pygame is successfully installed, and also the module which comes inbuilt with Pygame. So we don't need this variable actually, so we are going to delete it for now. Pages. Okay. Uh, Now we are going to define the width and height of our game window. We are just going to simply call it width and height. Let's just take it 800 for now. We can also change later if we want. And height is going to be 500. Now we are going to use pygame inbuilt functions pygame.display dot set mode, and in here we are going to pass our width and height. We are going to pass it into the parentheses, so don't forget that, otherwise it is not going to work. Now if we are going to run this, we are going to see our images, our screen, but just for a matter of seconds. As you can see, it is just open, pops up and closed. With one line of code we are able to make the screen of a Pygame, so it is one of the beauty of a Pygame. We don't have to write much. So this is it for first video of our coding session. Thank you very much. If you like this video, then press like button and subscribe to our channel, and you have any query, then tell us about it in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you next time.